arriving in the Tobago Keys. We have anchored in the Tobago Keys. Noon. We sail to Petite Saint Vincent and visit Le Mopian Island. Hey, you two! Our next stop is Union Island, and we anchor in front of View from Happy Island. Western Yacht Club. We join SV Ceylon for the 6 nautical mile sail to Sandy Island, Carriacou, where we will check into Grenada for the hurricane season. Just put down anchor at Sandy Island outside of Carriacou, Hillsborough. Sailing vessel Ceylon behind us. Alright, on the girls' advice, I'm supposed to try out my other lenses. This is the magenta lens. We spend a few days at Sandy Island before heading to Grenada. Coming through Isle de Ronde in the volcanic zone, the seas are super crazy, choppy. There is the north end of Grenada. We are just nearing Dragon Bay. 11:08, June 16th, just arrived in Dragon Bay, Grenada. Underwater sculpture is right there, right where the red buoy is, so not far from where we're anchored. There's sailing vessel Ceylon on their way to Prickly Bay. They will be hauling out on Monday and flying back to Australia for the winter. Bye, guys! A couple days later, we make a bus trip to Lavera Beach.
We're here to see the turtles lay their eggs, and maybe if we're lucky we'll see some baby turtles scamper into the sea. We're going to see some leatherback turtles. They can be as much as 2,000 pounds, while the females are about 1,300 pounds. And we're in the northeast corner of Grenada right now.
So we're just trying our red light. Hopefully we'll be able to see the turtles when we shine the red light on them.
We might get lucky and they'll have some lights on it.
Oh, your face looks really funny in this light. It looks like you got chipmunk cheeks.
I look pretty funny at best of times.
There's a turtle.
Oh, we have a turtle up here somewhere.
Yep, so
we're gonna
we're all
go find it.
So we're walking. We're seeing baby turtle tracks now.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. There's a little one there. Hi. Just hatched.
Most of this food.
Come on, baby. You can do it.
Yeah.
Come on up, baby.
One does the video come back on, so we let them do everything for themselves on the sand.
You're tired now. He's so tired. Oh, but you gotta get to the water now. Where do you go? It's a long way to go. Which way do we go? No, this way. They're measuring how long she is. Okay, I'm gonna touch her and see what she feels like. And she does, she feels like leather.
This amazing night comes to an end when the leatherback covers all her eggs and she returns to the sea.
Hi everybody, thank you for joining us on our sail from the Tobago Keys to our hurricane location, Grenada.
Join us next time when we explore Grenada and show you what it's all about. Remember to like, subscribe, and
Share.
thanks everybody.
Bye.